Today I will discuss on weed management subject. Topic is a allelopathic and its application for the weed management. Overview. What is allelopathic? Today I will discuss on the what is allelopathic. Allochemicals have mostly negative effect on crop plant. Use of an allelopathic crop in a rotational sequence. Now here see allelopathy. The term allelopathy was first introduced by Hans Mollis in 1937 and referred to chemical interaction among plants, including those mediated by microorganisms. Rice 1984. So this is a definition given by the scientist, and here is a some donor plant and receive plant. Here is a example of allopathic here. Uh, Allopathy is biological phenomena by which an organism produces one or more biochemicals that influence the growth, survival, and reproduction of other organisms. These biochemicals are known as allochemicals and can have beneficial positive allopathic or determined negative allopathy effect on the target organism. Here is a right. Allopathic can negative effect on the plant and can negative positive both effect maybe. Here is a leaf, root, and litter are the allochemical sources. Okay, here is a allochemical sources. Here is a mentioned figure. You see here. Allochemicals have mostly negative effect on the crop plant. Okay, here is a mention allopathic have a mostly negative effect on crop plant. Allochemicals have mostly negative effect on crop plant such as delay or the complete inhibition germination, reduce plant population, stand and deformate root and shoot, nutrient absorption, lack of seedling vigor, reduced tillering, chlorosis, wilting, increased susceptibility to disease. However, the main impact of photosynthesis of crop plant are inhibition or nitrification and biochemical nitrogen fixation, and inhibition stimulate the germination, growth, and yield. These are the point mentioned here is a allopathic negative effect on the crop plant. Allopathy can play a beneficial role. Here is a discuss. Allopathy can play a beneficial role. Allopathy can play a beneficial role in various cropping systems such as mixed cropping, multiple cropping, cover cropping, crop rotations, and minimum and non-tillage system. The exploration of allopathic in agriculture practices as a tool for weed control has shown weed reduction, pathogen prevention, and soil enrichment coiling et al. 1998. These are the mention what is a beneficial effect of the allopathy. Allopathic compound related from crop residue during the decomposition can reduce the both emergence and growth of the weed. Allopathic can be related either through the leaching decomposition to residue, ventilation, or root extraction 1999. In production system with the no tillage or conservation tillage that leave nearly all the crop residue on the soil surface, the release of allochemicals from the both the growth plant and during the residue decomposition could be advantage. Kursul et al. 2000. Here is mentioned decomposition of residue can give the beneficial through the allochemicals. Use of an allopathic crop in a rotational sequence. Use of an allopathic crop in a rotational sequence. Okay. So here you see the entrance of the allopathic crop into the crop rotation can effectively control the weed. In a history under the residue of no till condition, a considerable reduction in the population of foxtail, okay, was occur when the allopathic soybean, corn, wheat rotation was followed. Then in corn alone, 1922 in a 5-year field history with the sunflower oat rotation. The weed density increase was significantly less in sunflower plot than in control plot. Neither 1983, me 1987. It was found that sunflower plant possesses a chemical which inhibits the growth of the common weed species. Maxian et al. 1999 reported some sequential location with the and different cultivation of the sunflower. Means here the mention is a crop rotation. If you follow the crop rotation, then the use of the allopathic is a residue when they decompose, they can the beneficial effect can control the in help control the weed. Here is a mention dead mulch, green mulch, intercropping. These are climate condition, rainfall, solar radiation. Here the crop, all the crop here is a, but here is a surface applied mulch, soil incorporate allopathic plants. Okay, so these are here mentioned is a soil properties, cover crop management, other factors. Okay, so these are the also show the allochemicals and increase the soil the structure also by the decomposition of the plant material. Here is a effect of weed on the crop. Here is a effect of the weed on the crop. Maize. Okay, maize leaf and inflorescence of Parthenium species affect the germination and the seedling growth, and tuber of Cypress esculentus affect the dry matter production. And here is a sorghum stem of sorghum affect the germination and seedling growth, and leaf and influence of the Parthenium affect the germination and the seedling growth. Okay, wheat seed of the wild oat affect the germination and early seedling growth. Leaves of the Parthenium affect germination and growth. Tuber of the Cypress rotundus affect the dry matter. Okay, so here is a mentioned effect of weed on the crop, means what allopathic effect. Okay, sunflower seed of Dhatura affect germination and growth. Okay, so here is the effect of the allopathic on the weed on the crop. Now here is the effect of the crop on the plant of the weed. Okay, here is allopathy effect of the weed on the crop on the weed. Root extrude of the maize inhibition the growth of Chenopodium alba. The cold water extract of wheat straw when they applied to wheat reduce the germination and the growth of elevation species. Effect of the weed on the weed. Extract of the leaf of the organism favorite which are the toxic germination, root and growth. Weed like Amaranthus spinus. Inhibitor secret clean the rhizobium sorghum helps affect the growth of the digetia in the Amaranthus species. So here you see here mention effect of the crop on the wheat plant, means effect of allopathic those crop plant secretion the effect on the wheat plant. Here is a mention is a reference, and thank you. Thank you. I will discuss next topic, and next topic then I will discuss. Okay. Thank you.